Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're going to do a video walkthrough of our XT23 MasterCraft. This is a 2023 MasterCraft. As you can see, we did the Metal Flake Sangria. It's a really beautiful color with the black and the black MasterCraft logo. It looks really good. And then we inlaid the Sangria on the Z8 tower to match with the BTS windshield that matches. So all comes together nicely. Walk around the back here. This is XT model, so we have the really cool seats in the back that come out, chill out, hanging out the cove, chilling. And we're going to go up inside, and I'm going to show you the rest of this boat. Okay, now we're inside the boat. I'm going to take you to the bow of this. This is an XT23, so it has the traditional bow. We have the Cool Feel black interior along with the Cool Feel Sangria. You got the Clish speakers up front, 4 cup holders. Actually a lot of room. You can sit 3 people really comfortable in this bow. Coming on back through the walk passway through here, we'll go over to the helm. We got the bolstered, very comfortable captain's seat. This has the 7-inch touchscreen, the analog gauges, so really cool feel. And coming across to over here, storage that flips up, so you got pass-through storage all the way through. We got the cover in there right now. But a lot of storage in this boat. Glove box, the huge long bench seat over to the reverse couch that this is. This flips back and faces the other way. And you have the nice step through on the sea decking, and then the nice seating over here with the pop-up backrest. So, as I was saying before, you have the nice step through, so you don't have to step on anything. You can walk all the way through the boat without stepping on your seats. So we'll have this boat online at our MarineMax website. We'll have it at the store at MarineMax here in Greenville, or you can give us a call at 864-963-9005.